Most of us know that recycling helps to minimise our reliance on raw materials as well as reducing landfill and damaging greenhouse gases. But you may not know what happens to your waste once it's been put out for collection. At Douglas Borough Council, we ask you to keep paper, magazines and newspaper separate from other recyclable materials, such as cans, glass and plastic bottles. The glass is collected and then tipped at a facility on the island that processes it into eco-sand, which will then be used to make bricks and other materials for the construction industry. The other materials which have been collected are then tipped at Douglas Borough Council's transfer station, where they are processed and separated before being baled for onward shipping. The cans and plastic bottles are sorted through the council's processing system. The processing system separates the steel or ferrous cans using an overband magnet to remove them from the conveyor belt. The aluminium or non-ferrous cans and plastic bottles then fall from a conveyor onto the eddy current separator. This flicks the aluminium cans off the end of the separator, leaving the plastic bottles and any contamination to fall off the end onto another conveyor. The plastic bottles are checked manually for contamination. Plastic bottles are baled for onward shipping and processing in the UK. Paper is tipped separately from other materials as it doesn't require processing. A visual inspection is sufficient. The paper, once inspected, is then loaded into a baler and compressed into a bale. Once baled, the materials are then sent to reprocessing facilities in the UK, where they are transformed into new materials. The materials may return to the island in their new form.